Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make Windows 11 look better. So let's get started. If you're using Windows 11 but it feels like it looks a bit plain or cluttered, you're not alone. The good news is you can completely transform the look of your desktop in just a few minutes. So first things first, declutter. You can see that there are all desktop icons and it looks kind of messy. So you can right click on your desktop, go to view and check show desktop icons if you want a minimal look, or just delete unnecessary shortcuts and organize the rest into folders. A clean desktop instantly makes your system look more premium. Now let's move to visuals. So go to the search menu and type in settings, and here you gotta select personalization from the left side. Then you gotta head over to themes. You can choose a built-in theme or download new ones from the Microsoft Store. Then you gotta go to colors and you can enable dark mode if you want, and you can also turn off or turn on the transparency effects according to your own choice. And also a good wallpaper makes a huge difference. You can also go to personalization and go to background. You can choose picture or slideshow, or you can use high resolution wallpapers from sites like Unsplash, Wallhaven. So I suggest you to go for minimal or gradient wallpapers for a clean aesthetic. And also your taskbar is always visible, so let's fix it. Right click on taskbar and then you're going to head over to taskbar settings, and you're going to turn off the widgets if you don't use them, search, and if you want to improve fonts and scaling, you can go to settings again, go to the search bar and type in display, and right over here you can adjust the scale. And note that you gotta only adjust the scale if you really prefer to, so it will make everything sharper and easier to read. Note that don't over customize, too many widgets can slow your PC. Use trusted tools only and keep your system updated for best visual performance. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.